Hi, it's Michelle with the Singing Baker again, and today I'm going to be bringing you a nice little side dish. You can put it out as an appetizer if you're having like a Mediterranean night, nice little dinner party, or you can just have it any night of the week. It is a lemon orzo salad, and we're going to be mixing it with some fresh asparagus and cherry tomatoes, so stay tuned. Okay, so for our list today, you will need some orzo, some fresh asparagus, some cherry tomatoes, one lemon. You'll need some extra virgin olive oil, one garlic clove, some Italian fresh parsley, some salt and pepper, as well as some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. So we are going to be getting started now. I have put 2 pots on a boil on my stove. You'll need 1 pot to basically blanch your asparagus. You're only going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to take the asparagus out and then put it in an ice bath. And an ice bath is simply a bowl of water that you put ice water in. So water and ice, and then you're going to take the hot asparagus and put it in there, and it'll basically shock the asparagus so that it stops cooking, and it'll also maintain that nice bright green color that you want. And in the other pot, we are going to be cooking our orzo, and just follow the package directions for that. So I'm going to head on over to the stove and get that together. Okay, so here we are at the stove. I have a rolling boil going here for my orzo, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Just going to pour it in. Cook it like any pasta, really. It'll take maybe 8 to 10 minutes, so just kind of watch it. And then I have a smaller pot here for my asparagus. And I've also taken my asparagus, so I have basically snipped off the ends. What I usually do is I will hold the asparagus and just where it naturally bends and breaks off, that is where you break it. And then I keep the top parts, and then I discard the ends, and then I basically have just chopped these into like 1-inch pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and plop that into my pot here. We're just going to blanch those for 2 to 3 minutes, like I said before. And we're just going to watch this, and I have an ice bath going here also for my asparagus. Just going to stir this orzo just at the beginning here, and then I'm going to let it be. Okay, so my asparagus has been blanching for 2 to 3 minutes here, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer this to an ice bath. So as you can see, just going to show you here in the camera, it keeps its nice bright green color. So I'm going to let that sit in the ice bath for a few minutes, and then we'll add that into our salad later. While we're waiting, I'm just going to finish off this orzo. It needs about 4 to 5 more minutes, and then we will be ready to toss everything together. Alright, so our orzo is done, our asparagus is done. It's time to just basically throw this all together, and then we can have a bite. So I have my orzo here in a nice bowl. My asparagus has already cooled off. I've already drained it from the ice bath it was in. So I'm going to go ahead and add my asparagus into the bowl. Give that a little bit of a mix. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you can find out when I upload a new video. If you have enjoyed my videos, please give me a like. Let me know in the comments which ones have been your favorites. Alright, we've got the asparagus and the orzo mixed here. I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes in here. We have some gorgeous colors. The green and the red. In addition to like a Mediterranean night that you might be having at home, you could also serve this maybe during the holidays because of the pretty green and red colors. So I'm going to put that to the side. I'm going to go ahead and throw this dressing together. So we're going to start with some lemon. I'm going to start with my olive oil actually. So let me pour this olive oil in, and then I'm going to take a lemon, and I'm going to, let me get a knife. just basically, let me zest it first, hold on. Okay, so I'm going to take the zest. You get a lot of flavor from the zest. And then after we put all the zest in, I'm going to slice it open and then get all the juice from there. Smells great. The fresh lemon in here is just really nice. There we go. Okay. And then you can go ahead and scoop that off there. All right, now I'm going to slice it open. You can either squeeze it by hand, or if you have a tool that you can squeeze with. I have a little lemon juicer here. I'm going to go ahead and use that to make it easier for me. And just try to get as much juice as you can out of them. Squeeze it into your mixture. I'm going to enjoy this tonight with my family. I'm actually going to make some Greek chicken, I think. So I'm going to take some chicken breasts and basically cut them open. I'm going to put some Mediterranean olives in there, chopped up, as well as some feta cheese might be nice. So I'm going to go ahead and grill those up and have the salad on the side. It'll be a nice combination. Okay, so there's the lemon juice. So just to recap, we have olive oil, we have lemon zest, we have lemon juice. I have 1 garlic clove that I've minced up here. And then I have some salt and pepper. And the salt and pepper is just to taste, so you can reduce or increase that one. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. And then I'm going to pour that over my salad. Beautiful citrus dressing for that. And then all you do is basically give it a little bit of a last mix, and then you can toss in some fresh Italian parsley, and then I'm going to grate some Parmigiano Reggiano on top. There we go. The Parmigiano Reggiano is a favorite in our household. We have a hard time not putting too much of this on there. But you gotta enjoy life, so it's fine to have a little bit of an extra bite. It's a really great flavor. Okay, so just give it a good stir. And we can enjoy. I think I'm gonna have a little bite before dinner. This one's a winner. Until next time, I'll see you later.